Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in a new video. In this video, we are going to review Bank Nifty. What are the possible trade opportunities we got for the month of May so far? And we will discuss as per our CPR strategies, the entry and exit opportunities. So without wasting any further delay, let's get started. Before going to today's video, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. And I have created playlist for all the CPR indicator strategies. There are general topic videos, there are trade plans for Nifty and Bank Nifty, there are trading shorts, and there are market analysis and trade plan. And even you can look at the CPR strategies videos as per the playlist created by me, and even there are videos for beginners. So go through all the videos and even share it to your friends and family. Now let us talk about the overall trend of Bank Nifty when the month May started, so that it will be easy for us to devise a trade plan and it will be easy for us to check the possible entry and exits. Now before going to the entry and exit part, first let us check the overall trend as per the daily chart. Now in daily chart, before May month started, the trend was clearly bullish in Bank Nifty, and we were expecting 43,500 to act as a resistance, followed by all-time high around 44,150 levels. So Bank Nifty was going directly without any retracements. You can see over here, Bank Nifty went up, there is no proper retracement, there was just a minor consolidation for a few days, and then the rally started to continue. So most of us were expecting the market to give a pullback. Alright, so at least a 25% level or even 50% level, we were expecting a pullback. And we were expecting the rally to continue. Because earlier, Bank Nifty took a lot of retracement to take a fall. Right? Multiple retracements were happening and then the fall continued. So same way, even the uptrend, we were expecting a retracement, but Bank Nifty was aggressively bullish, right? So now what we will do, we will focus on long opportunity, right? We will stay with the trend, and we can clearly see that this 43,500 and 44,150 levels are the upcoming resistances. Up to that particular level, we will look for some long trades only, right? So that would have been the trade plan for us when the month was getting started. Right now, from the starting of this month till now, we can see that Bank Nifty hardly moved and it was just closer to the 43,500 resistance levels. So overall, Bank Nifty was consolidating between a 1,000-point level only. Okay, inside a 1,000-point range, Bank Nifty has been consolidating, and Bank Nifty was not so much trending in this May. But in the month of April, the market was highly trending. But so far in this 2 weeks, Bank Nifty was not trending, and option buyers were finding it difficult to look for some opportunities. So generally in a range bound market, it is not easy to trade. Alright, as a option buyer, we need a lot of previous day high breakouts. We need the market to stay above previous week high, above previous month high. Only then we can look for some good opportunities and we can expect a momentum. If the market is just staying inside a range of 1,000 points, then it's definitely not suitable for option buyers, especially this particular day. You can see over here, look at this bear candle, and I will mark the high and low of that bear candle. And you can clearly see the next 4 days, Bank Nifty was stuck inside that particular candle's high and low. And today only the market has given a breakout from that particular candle high. Alright, so whenever the market is like this inside any specific high and low levels or any specific resistance and support levels, it's not easy for option buyers to make money. All right. So let us look at the entry and exit opportunities so far. So now you can clearly see the market has been not rewarding for option buyers. So the entry and exit in 5 minutes chart also will be the same. And I will show you that. Let me go to the 2nd of May and we will do a very quick review. So on 2nd of May, you can just observe the distance between the R1 and previous day high. Now, in many trade plans and in many reviews, I have said, whenever the distance between CPR is wide and whenever the distance between R1 and previous day high is also wide, better don't take any trades because the market is going to be range bound throughout the day. Because we have observed a lot of days like this and we found that the market is not so good and it is not good for option buyers. So better to avoid trade opportunity as soon as you witness this kind of CPR structure. And even a couple of times were happening in this month itself. You can see over here the distance between the S1 and previous day low was very far. So here the market is trending, alright. So we would take a entry when the market is breaking S1 and previous day low, and that is fine. We will take an entry when the S2 is broken, that is fine. But look at the next few days, whenever the distance between the R1 and previous day high is wide, and even here also the distance between the R1 and previous day high is wide. Alright, so this distance is okay. But if there is a huge distance, and you can see over here, even on this particular expiry 11th May, the distance between R1 and previous day high is very wide. So the market will be not trending on a wide CPR day, and the market will be inside a range whenever the CPR is wide and whenever the R1 and previous day high is wide. Alright, so in the morning, as soon as you see the distance between R1 and previous day high is wide, whenever you see a wide CPR, immediately avoid that particular day. Very rarely the market will be trending like this, which has happened on 5th May. So on 2nd of May, as soon as you see the distance between R1 and previous day high being very wide, you just avoid taking any position. Okay, there is no point in finding a trade opportunity when the market is having a wide CPR and a wide R1 and previous day high like this. Okay, probably above R1, I may look for a trade opportunity over here, somewhere around here. Whenever there is a wide CPR and whenever the distance between R1 and previous day high is wide, there is no point in discussing any trade opportunity. Maybe if R1 and previous day high is getting broken on the upside, we may look for a trade opportunity. And that too not in the opening time itself. Okay, I will not focus on short opportunity because there are higher chances this previous day high will act as a support. So it's risky to take a short there. Okay, if the market is breaking the previous day high on the downside, then we can go for a short scalping. But inside R1 and previous day high, don't plan for any trade. Maybe above R1, when the R1 is getting broken, you can plan for a long trade and you may look for a scalping till R1 and R2 level 50%, or even you can look for a long up to R2 level. That is fine. Okay, but don't try to trade inside any two levels. So on May, you can probably avoid this day, or you can look for an opportunity when R1 is broken. And you can see the market is not having any momentum at all. So after that, don't try to fight with the market. Just exit the trade with the stop loss and you are done for the day. Close your system. So on May 2nd, one stop loss is hit. On May 2, on May 3, let us look at the trade opportunity. Now on May 3, again taking a long position below S1 and previous day low is not advisable. Okay, let us focus on short opportunity whenever the market is below previous day low. Okay, and taking a long opportunity, it's quite risky. If you are planning for any long opportunity above S2, it is quite risky. Maybe you can plan for a long above previous day low. When the market comes above previous day low, you can look for a long opportunity till CPR. But above R1 or above R2 or above R3, it's quite risky. But when you will take a long position when the candles are breaking the previous day low and for a quick scalping till CPR. Okay. Now again here the stop loss is getting hit. But in the next trade, in the next candle, you can see our S1 and previous day low is getting broken. So there you can probably go for a short position for a quick target of S2. So on this particular day, we are getting two trades, here a long position and here a short position. and it's a break even day. All right, now let us look at the trade opportunities for 4th May. The candles are beautifully taking support at CPR. Okay, so you all know very well about our long opportunity at CPR. If the candles are taking support at CPR, you can go for a long, right? And you can go for a scalping till previous day high and R1 zone. That could be the target. And even when the R1 and previous day high is getting broken, you can go for a long opportunity. Okay, so don't take long in this candle or in this candle. Wait for a good size of the body to come out of R1 and previous day high for better results. All right, so probably you can take a long position here. Even if you have taken a long position here, no, and if your stop loss is hit somewhere around R1 and previous day high 50% level, don't hesitate to take up long position once again when the candles are taking supports at R1. Okay, probably you can take a long position around these areas and you can even book a profit at R2 levels. All right, so your first trade over here is a profitable trade, and your second trade, it's like it depends upon your entry. If you have entered early over here, then it would have been in a loss. If you have entered somewhere around here, then you would have ended up in the profits. All right, so 4th May, it's a good day. All right, so let's look at the trade opportunity on 5th May, Friday. As I said earlier, you can look for long above previous day high, above previous day low. So in the first few candles, there is no point in taking a long position because CPR is very closer. So over here there is no long position at all. Though the candles have gone up, there is no point in taking a long because there is no room for making money. But when the candles are taking resistance at CPR, again you know very well about a CPR resistance trade, we can go for a short there. And we can book our profits very quickly at S1 and previous day low zone. And once again, you can go for a short when S1 and previous day low is broken. And you can book a profit at S2. Now, another important point I would like to tell here. This CPR is wide and the distance between S1 and previous day low is also wide, almost similar to 2nd May. So, as soon as that particular day opens, either in the morning itself you can avoid taking trades, or you can put an alert when S1 and previous day low is getting broken. Just place an alert when previous day low is getting broken. Once the previous day low is getting broken, you can come and you can take a short trade. And even when the S2 is getting broken, you can just place an alert and you can punch your trade once S2 is broken and you can book your profit at S3. Okay. See, these kind of trending markets in a wide CPR happens once in a blue moon. Okay, out of 10 setups like this, maybe 1 or 2 days it will be trending like this, but most of the wide CPR days the market is expected to be range bound only. All right, now let us look at the trade opportunity for 8th May. As you can see, it is a very wide CPR and there is no point in looking for trade opportunity. Either you will avoid or you will look for a long opportunity above previous day high. Now, if you are planning here, you can take a long position somewhere around here, because there is some sufficient room for booking profits till R1. Okay, whenever you are taking a long position somewhere around these candles, make sure you are having some room to book profits. Okay, if the CPR is very closer or if the resistance is very closer, you cannot book profits properly because the premiums will not increase. And again, can I look for a short opportunity over here? Yes, you can look for a short till CPR. And as you can see, the market is not coming down further. Even your stop loss would have not hit. No, you would have suffered from premium decay for nearly 3 hours. Okay, and finally you would have exited out of boredom. So overall on 8th May, the market is very range bound. One long opportunity above CPR seems to be profitable. All right, now let us look at the trade opportunity for 9th May. So 9th May, again, if you are looking for a short opportunity over here, instead of taking a short position in the first candle or in the second candle, maybe you can wait and you can look for a short opportunity after a few minutes. So you can look for a short opportunity over here. Your stop loss is hit, right? And once again the market is coming down here, and once again the market is coming down here. So it's a tricky day. So here your stop loss is hit, and maybe you would have taken a short here, again your stop loss is hit, but here you are winning the trade. So 2 stop losses, 1 winning trade, and it's all because of the range bound market which we saw in daily chart, right? Now the market is stuck between the 5th May high and low. Okay, clearly the market is stuck between the 5th May high and low, and we are on 9th and 10th May. So the market is inside a range. It's probably a difficult one for option buyers to make money. Okay, and even option sellers were facing a lot of spikes here and there, and they were unable to book some good profits. Okay, so overall it's a tricky day. 9th is a tricky day, and even 10th is going to be a tricky day. But hopefully when the market came below S1 and previous day, you could have won the trade. Okay, so this is a profitable trade. All right, and you could have taken a long position here, and again you could have made money till CPR. So instead of going for a long position here, you can go for a long here, wait for the body to come above previous day low. Okay, and 2 trades you are done for the day, and maybe if you are looking for any short opportunity here or here, it depends upon your entry. Okay, still you would have made money because there is no much stop loss is not getting hit much, so you could have probably booked the profit over here. So 3 trades seems to be reasonable and seems to be profitable. After 2 p.m. generally don't take any fresh position. All right, so overall 10th May is good, not bad, and 11th May expiry is very worst. Okay, we went for a long position over here above R1 and previous day high, but the premiums were not rising, even the market is not having the momentum, and finally we exited in losses only. Okay, the market came towards our entry area itself, but the premiums were decaying. So it is a losing trade because of the lack of momentum. There is no proper momentum. After that we stopped taking any position. The market was range bound, and the distance between R1 and previous day high is also very high. So we avoided taking any further positions. All right. And today what happened? What are the trade opportunities we got today? Now, as I used to say, you can look for a long opportunity above previous day low, and you can do a quick scalping till CPR. So this trade is profitable, and above CPR you can go for a long opportunity. So second trade is also profitable, and above R1 and previous day high you can look for a long opportunity. Maybe you could have gone for a long over here, and then the market was range bound. Okay, so overall today is also a good day, not a bad day like the other few other 2-3 days, but it is okay day on 12th of May. Okay, so it's not easy to trade inside a range bound market. Okay, and even if you look at the hourly chart, you can clearly feel that the market is damn sideways. No, the market was stuck between these areas. Okay, the market is taking this spike as a swing high, and the market is taking this spike as a swing low, and it was trading between that level throughout this week, and it is not so easy for option buyers. All right, so I hope you all are clear with the possible entry and exit opportunities in Banknifty. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you are all clear with the entries and exits. If you have any queries, you can feel free to post your queries in the comment section. In my upcoming video, I will discuss about the trade plan for the rest of the days in the month of May. All right. Until then, take care. Bye. Good night.